So I wanted to show you what we're doing in the hotel with regards to social distancing and making sure that we're being hygienic and safe for everybody. These stickers on the floor for social distancing, so when our guests are checking in, they can be reminded to keep 6 feet distance between themselves and other guests coming in. We have the screens installed already. They protect both the guests and our colleagues in these times. We have a contactless check-in process that happens over here in the hotel. Where the guests can swipe their credit cards right over here. We have the hand sanitizer for all our guests as well. And of course, everybody is wearing masks and gloves as is appropriate in these times. If you follow me around this way, you'll notice lots of stanchion cords. Again, we're separating the folks who are checking in and also separate lines for the elevators. As we continue to practice social distancing, we want to make sure that guests who are going to Top of the Mark, our renowned rooftop bar, or guests going to the hotel rooms feel safe at all times. So over here, for example, you can see how we've created separate lines for the guests. I'll just show you on this side. Guests will line up over here to get the elevators up. It says 1 person per elevator. Again, social distancing signs as well on the floors. Things would have never dreamt of doing in a luxury hotel, putting bright red stickers on the floor, the new normal. In fact, I even had to trade in my tie for my beautiful blue mask. It's what we do every day at the Mark to make sure that you're safe and we're safe taking care of you. Some more enhancements that we've made in the hotel is we've thinned out some of the furniture to create more social distancing for our guests. But again, everything has been thinned out, but we've added more space for our guests in the Peacock Terrace, which is a beautiful area. Let me show you. So you can come in here and you can grab a coffee or get on your laptop, have lots and lots of space to spread out, whether it's on a sofa or on individual tables and chairs.